My new conservatory has just added a new aspect onto my house. I walk through the gate at the back once I've come home from work, and it just feels like a nice place to be. And it's a new room onto the house. So from having just a very open plan house downstairs, it's gone now to having a separate room, which has just given us a lot more freedom, the ability downstairs to be able to separate off. We chose a Conservatoryland installer because right from the very start they came out, they did a site survey. I was reassured that they really knew what they were doing, that they've got years of experience of building and installing conservatories. We even had the opportunity to go to the factory and see our conservatory being made. Compared to a traditional conservatory, the speed in which Conservatoryland erected the conservatory, and right from the very start, from showing me the plans for the conservatory, it's just been a great experience. The customer service that they've given me has been great. I've just felt looked after and part of the actual installation and build. I've been consulted throughout the process, and it's just been a great experience for me.